Welcome to Brianne Janelle Gittins Studio. My name is Brianne Gittins, and I am the founder and the creative director of this studio above. And we're currently filming in Toronto. Today's video is all about how to take care of your clothes. I love clothes. But I have admit to you guys, I have destroyed my clothes. Nice garments have gone unweared, unused, thrown in the trash because I trashed my clothes. And it's so easy to do it. Sometimes we don't pay attention. Sometimes we don't understand what the fabric is. And it needs to be hung, not thrown in the dryer. Because I love to throw everything in the dryer. It's so easy. It's so efficient to throw everything in the dryer. So I'm going to help you take care of your clothes. These are some tips I've learned, and I hope they help you. Washing clothes is a journey, and it takes time to get it right. So let's wash our clothes properly. I'm going to start with one of this advice I actually do take is I wash my clothes less. That's nasty. Everyone was saying, I'm like, that's nasty. I was like, no, I do rewear my jeans a lot. Because I feel like more you wash the jeans, more it loses that fade, that original look to it. So I do wash my clothes a little bit less because of that. It depends on what the garment is. But jeans, I'm not going to wash my jeans immediately. I try to get a few more wears out of them. Maybe like 2 more times. So it'd be 3 times. Because I don't want to wash my jeans so it loses that, it fades. It loses the original look to it. That's what I've learned. And I've also learned to wash your clothes in cold water. It's better for the environment. I try to do that a lot. I use warm water. I don't use piping hot water. I prefer to wash my clothes in low temperatures. I think it's better for the environment. I do have an energy efficient washing machine. Actually, my mother does. I don't own a washing machine. But I use low temps when I'm washing my clothes. And another one is invest in dry cleaning. Not all garments need to be dry cleaned, but some garments can be dry cleaned instead of washed. I had this wool sweater from Aritzia that had to be dry cleaned. I have to say it's gone to clothing heaven because I don't have it anymore because it doesn't fit me, and I got it in high school, like grade 10. I think it was my first Boxing Day experience. Yeah, so some clothes need to be dry cleaned, or you can spot dry your clothes. That's something you can do. And the next one is, I know I'm just running through these because they match each other so well. Okay, so my next one is pay attention to the care label. I'm gonna do a video dedicated to the care label. I feel like we need to talk about the care label. There is a label at the bottom, in the seam at the bottom of your clothes, or it could be somewhere else. It's this long strip of paper telling you the fabric, how to wash it, where it came from, and a lot of stuff that, if you have Zara's clothing, I can't read it. So there's just Zara, you have to flip all the way to the back to get it. So definitely pay attention to the care label. You need to know what fabrics go in the washing machine, what fabrics don't go in the washing machine. It would tell you turbo low. Turbo low means it can be in the washing machine. Dryer. You can dry your clothes. So I highly recommend you look at that care label if you have new garments going into the wash, because you want to know how to take care of them so they look good still after you wear them. The next one is detergent. Yeah. look at your detergents. Use detergent that is like going to be useful to your clothing. Clean detergent, or you could use, we used HE because the machine's HE. I use whatever my mom has. I'm not too picky. Or I use the Tide Pods. Those are like really easy to throw them in, and they have both your washing, they have both your detergent and your softener. So, taken care of. And those are really good for your clothes. Those are easy to put in, or you could put in the jug inside your machine. So just watch out for what detergent you want to use. Because they're sensitive, there's so many different types. I just use what my mom has, and yeah. The next one is, I use this one a lot. Some clothes recommend it. Wash your clothes inside out. You can do that. Wash it inside out. Like pull the whole thing up inside out. I do that with jeans. I think it preserves your jeans when you pull them inside out. Yeah. The only thing you cannot put in the dryer, I want to say, is acrylic. Acrylic would be sweaters. I just want to say that. I love sweaters, but can't put those in a dryer. Yeah. So let's get back to washing inside out. Washing inside out preserves your clothing. Not everything has to be inside out. I recommend jeans, certain pants maybe. Yeah, I think it's more like jeans. Wash inside out, preserves your clothes, keeps them nice. Yeah. Next is air dry. Air dry, hang dry is going to be located, it's good on the care label. So look at the care label. It will tell you if it needs to be hang dry. If it says hang dry, hang it. It can't go in the washing machine. It will destroy your garment. It will shrink it. It will... I did this once. I was so lazy in high school. I was like, I'm doing laundry. I had this cardigan. It was a furry cardigan. I just put it in the washer because I was so tired. It was matted. It looked like garbage. I was like, oh god, I gotta throw the garbage. No, I love this cardigan. It's from Garage. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, I trashed it. I think that was the first thing I actually trashed with the washing machine. I've gotten better. I haven't really trashed a lot of my clothes. I try to preserve my clothes a lot of the time. So, hang dry. Use your judgment with hang dry. If you can't see the care label, sometimes just look at it and okay, that I don't think that could go in the washing machine. Based on the fabric, based on the fact that it will dry. Polyester cannot go in. Polyester is a good example. I cannot go in the dryer. You gotta put it in the dryer, but you don't really. It dries really quickly, so polyester garments dry quicker. So just hang to dry them. They'll be done in a few hours. There's a little damp. It just takes a little while for that to dry. So that's how to take care of your clothes. To preserve your clothes. It's all about reading that label. It's all about paying attention. It's all about how you wash it. And thank you for watching. There is a second video coming, and watch it next.